this session once again. And this time around, I would want to show you something very important. So assuming you don't want to use the flash fill here, if you don't want to use the flash fill, how can you separate these, like name of the person to first, last, and then we have the date of birth using the delimiter. So what I'll do, I'll come and of course, create these columns, very important, first name, last name, date of birth. So then what I'll do, I'll come and highlight this, all the names, all right? I can actually even let me just pick it like this. So I highlight all that, and then I'll be able to say Alt A E. So I'm pressing Alt permanently there, then I say AE like that. So you can see here, it has given me some preview of selected data. So of course, it's a delimiter that I'm using. So I'll be able to say here, next. When I say next, of course, the delimiter here would want to separate this using what here, spaces, like Joshua space, Aura space, date. So that's very good for me. Space has already been checked there. Say next. So when I say next, the most important thing here is to take care of the date. Date is very important. So date is the day, the month, and then the year. And then the destination, where do I put this? I would want to come and just click there. So in this case, when I click there, I'll be able to rub this. I would want to highlight this first cell there. And then I'll come and tell this thing to finish. You can see it has already done it very nicely. I can come and highlight the entire sheet. And then of course, I'll be able to expand so that all the names are able to fit here. So thank you very much for listening to me. Should you want help on how to pass your business data analytics, on how to understand advanced Excel for purpose of simplifying your work, right? As an accountant or anybody who is involved in data, don't hesitate to talk to us in the comments below. Or if you would want us to, for example, do something for you using Excel. Excel is powerful. We shall be able to move in with speed and do it for you. Should you raise it in the comments? But most importantly, please love this particular post, share it with your friends. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.